Hey folks, in this video I shall explain you how to use ChatGPT to create a new chat. Click on that and you would see ChatGPT asking you how can I help you today with few prompts here. But what you should notice is see this message over here saying message ChatGPT. So this is where you will be writing your prompts and click the send message and you would receive the responses accordingly. So what we're going to do now is we have shared a document with few prompts. So access that document and you can see that the first prompt is getting familiar with prompts and using ChatGPT. So the sample prompt is given here. So these 2 lines is a sample prompt and you can notice there is red text. Now, the red text has to be replaced with a relevant word that is specific to the problem that you're trying to solve. So, in this case, what we will do is replace this red text with one of these each words. Like in the first prompt, we will replace the red text with empathy, and the second query we will replace the red text with design thinking, and in the third query, we will replace the text with AI tools and we will see how it works. Okay, so the sheet of prompts that we are sharing you, it is only view only. So how you can actually edit them and make use of these prompts is that go to file and click on make a copy. So it makes a copy of the prompts document. Now go here and what you do is in the first instance, so probably you can copy this, copy paste such that you're not disturbing the original prompt. Now copy empathy, add it here. So this becomes your first prompt. So let us copy this first prompt and go to ChatGPT and say click on here and you can see the send message being activated and click on send message and see the response. So we are asking ChatGPT to take the role of a DH23 design mentor and help us understand the importance of empathy in solving complex problems. So it is giving us a message saying certainly, and it is giving the explanation of empathy and how it is crucial. And it is also showcasing where all empathy can be applied and how we can make use of empathy, right? So now let us do the second prompt. So copy this and replace empathy with design thinking. Copy the entire prompt. Go to ChatGPT, paste here, and then say send message. So this is one way of doing, right? So what it has done is so it says, of course, design thinking is a powerful problem solving approach and etc. etc. So it is showcasing, uh, it's talking about design thinking and its usefulness in solving complex problems. Now I will tell you a different method of changing a keyword in a prompt. So in this method, what we do is move your cursor onto the first prompt and you can see a little uh, pen icon. So click on that. And what we do is instead of empathy, we'll add AI tools. So instead of copy pasting from the Word document, because it is only a simple keyword change, so you can do that and then click on save and submit. And now let us observe what will happen. So it is creating a new response to the question and Observe here that it is showing 2 out of 2 and also a pen button, so which means that we can further modify the prompt. So if you want to access the previous prompt that we have given, so click on the back arrow and you can still see the first prompt and its response. Now let us say you want to derive more information about certain prompt, right? So let us say we want to understand the importance of empathy in solving complex problems with some real world examples. Okay, so we are enhancing the prompt by adding additional text. So let us say save and submit. So you can see that this prompt is taken as 3 of 3, right? So that means that you can go back to the previous prompts and see what are the responses. So nothing is lost. So you can actually see now that the prompt has enhanced and elicited even more interesting information. So here it is giving an example, like for example, Apple's iPhone, and it's giving how empathy has helped Apple create iPhone, and example of Airbnb, etc., etc. So this is how you use the prompt that we are giving you, and you can edit the prompt and enhance it with uh, asking more information that is relevant to you or information that is looking for. Okay, so go ahead, experiment and understand. And a very important thing that you got to keep in mind is that please be aware that the information provided by ChatGPT should be approached with caution. Occasionally, ChatGPT may generate inaccurate or nonsensical responses. So it's important to exercise your critical thinking skills and discriminate when interpreting and utilizing the information it provides. Okay, so but the beauty of this particular tool is that you can gain interesting ideas, insights, and inspiration. And instead of spending hours on searching internet to find this information, so with the help of ChatGPT, you get it within seconds. All right. Okay, cool. And one small tip, if you want to save this chat and uh, make it into a recognizable format, so you can rename the chat. For example, I'm going to rename this as DH23 Design Mentor. So let us say you are having so many chats going on. So if you rename it, it will be helpful for you to quickly identify a particular chat and go back to that. All right, cool.